So as you know, on the 7.3 liter Power Stroke, that is a big issue. So that being said, the truck had a slow start. It was really hard to crank, and so obviously on the 7.3 Power Stroke, these are my 99.5 2003. The starters aren't that good unless you buy a really good one. So I put a new starter on it, and as you can see, spins over fine, fires right up. Now we're going to take it for a test drive, so I can give you an idea. It had no power, so we're going to test it out now and see, out of all the many problems that I corrected on this vehicle, if that took care of it. So the bigger turbo should help the boost and the up pipes. Let's see here. Oh yeah, she's picking up really good now. Got a little bit of cold blowing out back there. There we go. Yeah. Letting us know that we got a little bit of power going. A little bit of fuel burning off. You don't want to burn off too much black smoke because that's your fuel going right out the tailpipe. But that being said, it appears that we have everything correct.